Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take keycaps off the keyboard on ACER Predator 17. And I think that this laptop makes it simple enough, although on all laptops it's not as simple as on a standard keyboard, so be careful with that. It has most probably the scissor mechanism, which if you are not careful enough may get broken. And it's not as easy as it seems to replace it. I mean, of course it's not too expensive, but you know, it's a lot of stuff to do. But if you want to take the keycaps off, first of all, I'd suggest taking a picture of your keyboard because all the keyboards may look different, even if you have the same model as me. And use a tool that you can just pry the key with. Insert it at the bottom of the key. I think I'm gonna use the other end because it's a bit thinner. You can see the key goes up, and if you're careful enough, you should be able to gently pry it. You can see it comes right off, and to put it back on, just put it like that until it clicks. And for some longer keys, the layout may be a bit different. It may have a metal bracket here. I'm gonna see the standard key, the square key, if it looks the same or not. Remember to be gentle, and as I can see on the standard key, it's better to insert that tool from the side. And by the way, it's better to have your laptop turned off so you don't click on anything by accident. You don't click on anything, yeah. And now it's off. You can see the mechanism is oriented differently than the control one, so it's important just trying to see how the mechanism is oriented before you take it off. To insert it from like the side, you can see here, if I insert it from the bottom, then it's great, but on the Z key it's better to do it from the left side or from the right side on all the letter keys. And then click it in and it works. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.